Hi there! This quick Clip Studio Paint tip will show you how to make custom full color brushes and stamps. Back in my custom brush tips troubleshooting video, I mentioned you must create brushes with the layer's expression color set to gray if you want them to paint in your selected color. However, even if the expression color is set to color, Clip Studio Paint still lets you set an image as a brush tip. This simply means that the resulting brush will use the colors from the image, making it more like a stamp than a brush. I'm going through this quick, but if you want full instructions on creating a brush using your own custom brush tip or tips, check out the other videos I've done in this series. One thing to note is that only the colors from the original image will be used. The color jitter settings do not affect this type of brush at all. All of the other brush settings work as normal though. You can even mix gray brush tips with color ones in a single brush if you want. That's it for this one, but I've got a whole playlist of quick brush tips in Clip Studio Paint. Let me know what else you'd like to see me cover. Bye for now!